Both baking soda and baking powder are substances that cause rising or leavening. Both their contents and their purposes are different. Baking soda is composed of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, cornstarch, and an acid are combined to make baking powder. What is baking soda? A leavening ingredient in baked products like cakes, muffins, and cookies is baking soda. It is a white, crystalline powder that is naturally alkaline, or basic, and is formally known as sodium bicarbonate. When baking soda is mixed with a liquid and an acidic substance, it becomes activated. When activated, carbon dioxide is released, which gives baked goods their rise and fluffy, light texture. When to use baking soda? Baking soda is commonly used in recipes that include acidic components such as cocoa powder or buttermilk. Baking soda reacts with acid to produce carbon dioxide when it is added to a mixture. The batter expands and rises when baked in a hot oven, resulting in a light and fluffy texture. Additionally, baking soda aids in the browning of baked foods. This indicates that it is frequently used to manufacture baked goods like cookies. Another application for sodium bicarbonate is as a component in cosmetics and personal care products like deodorant and toothpaste. Some people consume baking soda mixed with water for relieving acid reflux. Because of its alkaline pH, it neutralizes stomach acid in the same manner that over-the-counter antacids do. Before consuming baking soda, a person should consult their doctor because it may affect how other prescriptions are absorbed in the body. What is baking powder? Baking powder is a full leavening agent, which means it contains both sodium bicarbonate and an acidic component. Both single and double-acting forms are available, while double-acting powders are more frequently utilized. When to use baking powder? Acid already exists in baking powder. Baking powder is used in recipes that do not contain an acidic component. Baking powder is typically labeled as double-acting by manufacturers. This means that when someone mixes it with a liquid, it will activate or begin to produce carbon dioxide. When the combination is heated or cooked, it will activate once more. Both baking powder and baking soda are used in several recipes. When baking soda alone is insufficient to produce enough carbon dioxide to leaven the batter, this normally provides an extra boost. The bottom line: baking powder or soda are frequently used as leavening agents in baked goods recipes. Some might even incorporate both. Despite having a similar appearance, the two goods are not the same. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, needs an acid and a liquid to activate and aid in the rising of baked goods. On the other hand, baking powder contains an acid and sodium bicarbonate. It can be activated with just a liquid. With careful adjustments, one can be used in place of the other. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe our channel.